just a quick video to show you some of the sound and light differences. Won't go into too much detail, but 2009 Dooku, this one's not real loud, very sort of, it's bright, it's nice and bright, except for when the camera auto adjusts to the light. Anyway, this one's already sold, so I can't really do anything with this one, but for someone with big hands, it's fantastic. So that's that one. This one's the polished Luke. I really like this Luke, but anyway. So 2005 Master Replicas. It's quite bright and also quite loud. I really hate that this auto adjusts the light, but yeah, very bright. So that's that one. 2007 Vader. Again, they're all quite bright. 2010 Anakin, which 2010 Anakin, not so loud, not compared to any of the 2005 ones anyway. This one, I'm pretty sure is a 2005 Anakin. Another 2005 Anakin. Except this one's got a white LED in it. This one I don't have listed at the moment. The rear button assembly, this bit here, so I've got that, but I don't, yes I do, I might have the button assembly for the front. Yeah, I've been thinking I need to, yeah, I do have the front button assembly, so it's not actually missing any pieces. I was going to do like a dark side conversion on it, but I could put that back together, put a blue LED in it, and then you've got a nice screen accurate, nice loud Master Replicas Anakin. Anyway, so custom MHS one, another custom MHS one, so it's got red, another custom MHS one, this one's Anakin or a Luke? Anakin, and again they're all quite bright. Where's the Yoda? This one's the Yoda. It's got the green blade in it. The green blade's one of the thick-walled ones. It's got film in it. It's not as bright as if it's just got a normal blade in there. You can see the size. I mean, up against the Vader and the Luke, it's quite small. But it is quite a well comfortable one to swing around. Of course, having a green blade, you know, it kind of looks cool when it's turned off as well. And another 2007 Vader. This is the one I've got listed at the moment. The Vader sound card's my favourite out of all the FX ones, the 2005 and 2007. Just nice and deep and bassy. Just very evil sounding. Quite a fan. So yeah, there you go. Put a few of them on at the same time. Yeah, there you go. Cheers.